Nowadays, everybody's concerned about shit that doesn't matter. Whether it's Tekashi 6ix9ine, Drake versus Kanye, Cardi versus Nicki, Chick-fil-A, Christmas. A lot of people just don't get the big picture. You always gotta be making money. With this channel and going in 2019, I wouldn't be living up to the person I am without showing y'all a simple way to make some quick cash. Cause I am the person that's been on for years. Free quick way to make some money before the end of the year. Today is December 19th. I got a link below. You're gonna click on the link, download the app. When you download the app, you're gonna go inside and basically you're gonna add your card. And when you add your card, you can be activated to now tell other people to add the app, and you'll get $10 when they do the same. Now this is the quick way of making an extra $100 to $200. It's not a scam, it's not a scheme. I'm telling y'all something real. Just like I told y'all with the surveys, which I've been making 25 cents on the dollar. But this is simpler. You're gonna download the app, you're gonna install it, put your information in, add your card, boom. You're gonna have an activated link. You can share the link with everybody, tell them to do the same thing. Everybody you share it with that does the same thing, right? Not spending any money, just does the same thing, is gonna get $10. So you can make it quick, $100 real quick, right? $200 real quick, 20 people, whatever. I'm not even sharing my link, to be honest with you. I'm putting on somebody else who's trying to get extra money for their kids. So I'm showing love. All you have to do is just attach your card to the app, and when you go to the store and just use your card, it's gonna automatically give you rewards back within the app. And you can just transfer it to your bank account or transfer it to your PayPal. It's that simple. I'm trying to make this as easy as possible because sometimes people get scared and all my cards get. And as you see right here, my man Joe, he made over $650 from getting rewards for referrals and using the actual app through his card when he was buying stuff. That's how serious it is. And all you gotta do is just transfer to your bank or the PayPal. Once the funds is in your app that's showing because you used the card or somebody you referred, you can just transfer just like this. In this case, he's using PayPal. You get it sent over and it's complete. Also, when you add your card, you get $5 instantly. And every card you do add, you get another $5. So let's keep this simple. All you have to do is click the link below, download it, install it on your phone, create a simple login, add your card, find your share link, and then share with others. That's it. Tell them to do the same thing. The company is paying out $10 because they're growing. And when I started off 11 years ago, a lot of companies are the same way. GoDaddy, HostGator, Aweber, some of these companies you don't know, where as people pay monthly, you still get residuals. Now this is not a monthly thing. After you do these simple steps, when you go to the certain stores and use the card, you're gonna get points in your card. You know, if you had a credit card, you get points and you gotta go through this process to redeem them. You don't have to redeem anything. So I'm showing you guys how to make an extra $100 to $200 before the end of the year, and then more as the time goes on. Simple, very simple. Do not overthink this process. When you're inside after you sign up, you're gonna see a referral that says ANDREA22, something like that. That's the person I'm helping out. That person gonna make money, you're gonna make money. I'm showing love to everybody. Hurry up and sign up right now. Start putting everything in process before they stop doing the 10-hour referrals. Make the quick, easy money. Trust me. Don't ask any questions. Just get to work. Everything is there for you.